Hi everyone, this is Michelle with Colorado Real Estate here. I'm here with your September market update, and we get all this information from our friends over at Land Title. They're a local title company that we use frequently up here. So in September there were 259 total real estate transactions, and that's up 4% from last year. So despite our rising prices, people are still buying and selling up here, so it continues to be a good time to get into the real estate game here in Summit County. The average price for a single family home was just over $1 million, and that's up 3% from last year. Multi-family homes were averaging $523,000. That's up 9% from last year. And then land was up 14% from last year at $318,000. So we're seeing those big increases in land. So people are kind of looking at land and thinking that maybe that's a good investment when the prices are seemingly high on these single family homes. And for the first time in about, I would say 5 years or so, there were more local purchasers than out of state. So typically we see mostly out of state and Front Range buyers, and Front Range is considered that Denver Boulder area. And then in September of this year we saw 35% local buyers and only 23% out of state. And I think a lot of that probably has to do with the fact that we're starting to see more of these new builds with kind of a deed restricted housing for a local workforce, and people are getting in on that. So that's a really good sign. Also, our Front Range buyers were the highest, which is pretty typical for us, at 41%. And we are continuing to see that. That's been very consistent over the last 5 or so years as the economy down in Denver continues to be really strong, and we see tons of people moving to Colorado. So when people ask us, is the market slowing up there? Hopefully it's starting to balance out a little bit, which helps our buyers a ton. But at the same time, we're not seeing any depreciation. Prices are continuing to go up, and we don't expect to see anything really drop off significantly at any point. If you have any questions, there's more information in the email below if you want to see all the details. If you are interested in looking at any properties, you can check out our website at flickrealestate.com. Talk to you soon.